Hey guys, welcome to new video of JavaScript tutorial series. And in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a function and what are advantage of the functions and all those things. Um, Functions is super important topic because not in this programming language, in all programming language we have a functions future, and the main feature of function is reusability of code. We can reuse the code again and again, writing a one logic, and we can call wherever we want. We can do like that using the functions. Let's say in a scenario we have to multiply four numbers, okay, like this: 30 and 40, and also 3000. We want to multiply 30 and 40, and also we have to multiply the 3000 and 3000, like this, okay. The person, those who don't know the function, will write a separate logic to perform this operation, and also they will write another logic to perform this calculation, right? If you know the functions means, you can write a one logic and you can pass this value to get the output for this values, and also you can pass this values to get the output for this calculation, okay. You will write one code and you can use that code again and again to get the calculations, okay. That is called the term reusability, okay. Let's say how the person, those who don't know the function means, they will write like this. They will put it in another, they will put these two values in a separate variable, and also they will put these two values in a separate variable, and they will do calculations for that, like this. They will console.log 30 into 40, console.log 3000 3000 into 3000. This is a separate logic. This is a separate logic for getting the output for these inputs, and this is a separate logic for getting output for this inputs, right? And we will not pass any other arguments to this logic, and we'll get the value, because this is hard coded. I mean, we cannot pass any values here. And if we have a function means, we can create a function using function keyword, and after that we have to give function name multiply numbers. After that we have to give the arguments. I mean, how many inputs you will give. Let's say we can use whatever we want. I'm using here a comma b. I'm going to give two inputs to this function, and what is going to return means it is giving a output, right? It will end up the function there in return keyword, and after that it will return the value whatever we give here. Like let's say if I put 30 here means, you have to call that function to run the function, okay. Now multiply numbers. If I console this means, it will return the value 30. Whatever you put there, it will return the value. Okay, I have to call this function. You can see that it is returning the value 30, okay. What we have to return is, what is the motive of this function means, it is multiplying the two value, right? We can pass any values whatever we want here in a comma b. While calling the function, you have to give the arguments, okay. And let's say if I wanted to multiply 30 into 40 means, I can give as a parameters here 30 into 30 comma 40. It will, this is the calling of the function. You have to put that name and you have to give the arguments for that function, okay. This 30 will be stored in a, and 40 will be assigned to 40, and it will return 30 into 40, this value, okay. If you run this function scene, you can see that um, again I'll rerun the function. You can see that it is returning 1200. Let's say if I wanted to multiply 3000 into 3000 means, I don't want to write the function again and again. I can use the function, I can use this same function again, right? This is the future of the function. Multiply multiply numbers of I can give 3000 comma 3000. I'm not writing here function again and again. I mean, I'm not writing logic again and again to perform any calculations. Okay, you can see that it will give you some errors here. Multiply numbers. You can see that it is multiplying this, the arguments, right? We don't need to write logic, separate logic for this calculation. Again, we can use wherever we want this function. This is the main feature of the function. Okay, I hope you understand the function, how it works, and how we can create functions in javascript. And I hope, I believe that you understood. And if you didn't understand this, you can watch this video again and again so that you can understand, so that it is a very simple topic. Okay, thank you so much.